Are you looking to change the theme of your Instagram DMs but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to personalize your chats. So let's begin. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the message icon in the top right corner of your screen. Open the chat where you want to change the theme. Now tap on the username of the person in the chat. Select the theme option. Here you'll find a variety of themes to choose from. Pick the one that suits your style. If you like the preview of the selected theme, tap on the select button to apply it. And that's how easy it is to change the theme of your Instagram DMs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you'll never miss out on more helpful tips and tricks.